Gold yesterday created a bearish candle. It was a bearish breakout below 3272.61. The week started with a gap. We can see that the price has a difference between the open price here and especially the close price here and the open price on a Monday. So it is a pretty wide gap that the price has experienced at the starting of this trading week, and the price continued to lose its value all the way back down, very close to the support level 3200.53. The price has retraced from that area of demand zone where the buys are waiting, and currently it is in between this resistance and the support level. Let's see for our time frame how the yesterday price has behaved. We can see this is the pretty large gap that has not been closed still, and I'm expecting that this gap will close, because usually the price tends to return and close the gap, especially in the same day. But yesterday we can see there was a strong selling pressure that the price could not manage to return back up and close this gap. After that, the price, we can see, had problems going below this area of support 3272.61, but then eventually the price has made strong bearish candle going all the way back down, closing below this area of support, and we can see currently for several 4 hours time frames the price is trying to make its move, and especially trying to move higher, but the price cannot make a bullish breakout. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see after the price from this gap, the price could not manage to go below this area of support, finally made it with a strong move, and we can see that this movement has happened in the morning yesterday, and then the price was trying to move further down, but we can see the price could not manage to go further down or reaching 3200.53, which is a support level. The price returned back up, and we can see it is still inside this range area between this area of resistance, which is 3239.95, and the support level 3221.36. What we can expect? Well, let's go from the daily time frame. Currently the daily time frame shows that we are currently in the bearish mode, so it is showing me that we could still go further down, reaching 3200 as a support level. This is on the daily time frame, and this is most likely what I could see on the daily where the price is heading. On the 4 hour time frame, what is currently showing me that the price is trying to move higher, trying to make a bullish breakout above, but we can see could not manage to do that. But also there is no selling pressure, that it's the price that is trying to move further down. So this is something more slightly, it is a bullish, but we are currently in the bearish scenario. So for me it is indecision, and I'm waiting to see what the price will do on the 4 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price was moving down, and it is currently moving sideways. So for now it is neutral for me, and also waiting for a clean breakout. Now for the breakout on the lower side, we need to see the price going further below this area of support 3221 in order to reach this area of support, which is a daily 3200. So this will be the first move that the price needs to make in order to continue to lose its value. But if the price goes above this area of resistance, which means the bullish breakout, it will target the daily resistance 3272.61. So this is the area for today that I'm expecting for the price, and after that we will see how the price will behave. Now the daily shows me more bearish scenario, and the 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame shows me that we are inside indecision range area. So it is the best to wait to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and support, especially 1 hour time frame, because it is a small area that will eventually be broken on the, especially during trading sessions when the Europe and London starts to wake up. And for now, what I can see, currently bearish until the price managed to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, which will target further levels down, or it will return back up targeting higher price levels. So for now I'm waiting outside to see how the price will behave on the 1 hour time frame, and after that I will share the details inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they get also information about the breakout, where the price is heading, and also what is the target. You could also join, the link will be below in the description. Feel free to check that. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.